Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here, and I got a question the other day and I wanted to answer it because somebody was trying to get traffic to their blog. But you can use this for sending people to your page or whatever you want to do. But the question was, how do they get some free traffic to their blog? They're writing this blog and they don't really have the money to run a lot of ads because, blogs, if you run traffic to a blog, you got to kind of hope they, do some other action and spend some money with you. And they wanted to know a way to do this. And I wanted to share this with you because a lot of people could actually use this and drive a ton of traffic, okay? So as we all know, there's no shortage of people out there. The problem is, how do you get them to your blog or your page? And if you post, in your page and you don't have a lot of likes on your page, well, nobody's going to see anything you do. And besides that, Facebook notifies about 1% of the people that like your page when you do a post. So that's not going to work. The other thing you could do, which doesn't work for a lot of people because they don't have a lot of people, is have a group. Now, if you're in a group and you own a group and you post in there, it will notify everybody in the group that has their notifications turned on. But if you don't have a big group, once again, not going to help you. So here's what you do. This is pretty cool. So let's say you wrote a blog on survival food. Okay, we'll use that since we sell survival food at Survivalcave Food. And I wanted a lot of people to know about this blog, and maybe this blog was about how to store, emergency food. What I would do is I would go out and look at other people's groups, really big groups, and I would find a post that had a lot of interaction that had to do with storing survival food. Maybe one that had maybe thousands of comments and likes and shares. And it could even be an old one. It doesn't matter how old it is. And what I would do is I would go in and I would comment on that particular post. And I would say, hey guys, this article really inspired me, or all your all's comments really inspired me. And I decided I wanted to write a blog on how to store survival food. Now, what's going to happen is everybody that commented, liked, and shared that old post is now going to get notified. And all these people will get notified that you now have information about something they were interested in before. So it's a pretty cool way that you can kind of, not really cheat the system, but it's a cool way to get a lot of traffic and to drive traffic to your site even if you don't have it. So I just wanted to share that with you today. Take it, use it. If you benefit from it, like, comment, share on this video. Let me know about that. That's right. Like, comment, and share. I'll get some traction on this video. So I appreciate you listening, and I'll talk to you real soon.